Hello friends, welcome to today's video in DaVinci Resolve. Now there may be times when you're doing your video editing and you have a number of clips from different cameras on maybe even different days, and you want to make your colors look kind of consistent across various frames. Otherwise it's a little bit jarring when you're watching a video if it's maybe sort of nice bright colors one day and then a little bit dull the next day. So this is an example of how to keep a consistent look without doing color grading in DaVinci Resolve. So take this example clip here. This is sort of quite a sunny day, got quite nice bright colors. And we have a clip next to it, which is taken a little bit late in the afternoon when weather changes, which is quite typical in the UK. We want to maintain the same look between the frame that we have here and the frame that we have here. Now, without going into a whole lot of different color grading and stuff like that, and this has been recorded in just normal Rec 709, what we can do is a feature in DaVinci Resolve known as Shot Matched to Clip. Nice catchy name. So what we all need to do is to select the frame that we want to copy to. So this is the destination source. Sorry, not destination, not the source. This is the destination. And the clip here is the source. So to actually copy the colors from here to the one here, all we do is select the destination first. Have to do it this way around. Right click on the source frame, which is the one number 2 here, and then do Shot Match to Clip. And then it's going to change the destination to match the colors, or similar to match the colors and look of the previous frame. And when you're jumping between these two frames now, it's looking much more consistent. And of course, you can come in there and make some bit more sort of tweaks to the frame if you particularly want to. Let's just do a reset, and you can see what it was like there here. I'm just going to right click on the second frame and do Shot Match to Clip. If I go full screen and then do before and after, we can see the change. Nice and easy and nice and convenient. Now, you have to make sure you click on the destination rather than the other way around. If I click on this source and then try and tell it to copy to, you'll see what it's going to do is going to copy the colors from the rather bland one and copy it back that way. So you have to make sure you select the destination first. Let's do another example here. So if we go to the third frame here, this is also kind of bland. So I'm going to go to my second frame, my kind of source, right click and do Shot Match to Clip. And hey presto, we now have those colors transferred to that. And we can keep on going through our videos. So another shot here, go to my second frame, right click and do Shot Match to Clip. And so on and so forth. So this is a very quick and easy way of quickly maintaining a consistent look in DaVinci Resolve. And it's been available, I think, probably since maybe version 18 or something. Someone can correct me in the comments, but we use it a lot and I find it particularly useful. So I thought I'd pass this tip along to you guys. Take care and see you soon. And don't forget, of course, to give the video a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks.